Okay, let's do 2 or 3 remove linked list elements. So here we're given a singly linked list and a value 6, and then we have to remove this 6. So we're left with these values. And we're initially given the head, which is 1, and we're also given the value. So we're going to do a list node current node is equal to head, and then we are going to update our current node for every iteration. So while current node is not equal to null, so we need to check if current node.val is equal to val. In that case, we ignore this. So for example, we are looking at 6. This is the current node. So we need to ignore this. We shouldn't link this one to 3. We have to link the previous one to 3. So previous node done next is equal to current node done next. So that means we do need this node of previous node. But what should it be? Well, we can decide that later. Otherwise, we're going to set previous node to be the current node, and then current node is current node the next. So what should this previous node be? Let's have a look at example 3. We have all the values of 7, the value is 7. So in that case, we don't have previous node because it's the first one. So if we have like a dummy list node in the beginning, it's gonna make our life so much easier because we don't really need to deal with all the head changes. So say we can have like dummy head equals new list node of 0, and then it's pointing to head. So we're essentially creating additional like dummy list node here, and then we can assign that to previous node initially so that it handles all the head related cases. And then at the end of the loop, we can simply return dummy head done next. So we are not really including any of the dummy head stuff, but it's just used for our simplicity of calculation. Okay, let's submit. All right, that's it.